I'm Maria Mendaros. I'm the operations manager for both hotel, the Golden Prince Hotel and Golden Valley Hotel. I started from Golden Valley Hotel, which is a sister hotel of Golden Prince Hotel, way back in September 16, 1994, since the day one of construction. And some of my colleagues calls me Engineeria.
I'm Camilo Lopez. I am the head chef of Golden Valley Hotel and Golden Prince Hotel. I started working in Golden Valley way back 1995.
My name is Bibi Veloso and I am the housekeeping supervisor. I've been this company for 23 years. Start in Golden Valley Hotel.
Ako si John Magno, Maintenance Department. Nagsugod ko sa Golden Valley Hotel since September 1994.
My name is Lilette Velasquez. I started working on September 16, 1994 as a front office clerk and now as a sales manager. My best memories is when we got to celebrate our special occasion together like Christmas, anniversary, and we got to bond with each other as a whole family.
My best memories here is while working with my colleagues and they're just like my friends and my family.
Trabaho ko diri nga wa ko'y late, wa ko'y absent, nahimo kong Ironman. Nagpasabot nga ang lawas himsog kusgan.
I really love what I'm doing. I love the hotel. I really love to share my ideas and experiences, and most especially to our OGPs who would come to know what it's like to be working in the hotel industry.
I've learned things that I did not learn from school, which is the camaraderie and humility and sharing ideas with my colleagues.
That we have supportive management and my colleagues are very approachable.
Kanahan ko mo trabaho diri kay gitagaan lag importansya ang akong pagtanarbaho. Ikaduha, ilang ipa-eskwela nga akong anak.
We love our work and we do work with our heart.
As a chef, I'm proud that we have a consistent taste and variety of foods that make our guests patronize us always.
As of now, we are a 4-star hotel but with a 5-star treatment. And I'm looking forward to a 5-star accreditation.
I'm looking forward to become the best hotel in Cebu and to have another branch outside Cebu.
Ang akong gusto na unta makautog sa laing hotel sa laing lugar.
I hope we have another branch, Golden Prince Hotel, in another place.
Maayong adlaw.
Mayong adlaw.
Maayong adlaw.
Maayong adlaw.
Maayong adlaw.